He's not here, I swear. Yeah, I just like he's playing video games with Mickey the Night Back was right. I was. You're under obstruction of justice.
All right, we're clear. We know that Mickey was not here with you that night. We know that.
George, you just look like you're trying to get that. Now stop looking for yourself. Morning after a night, Mickey called. Asked me to come. Said he was out drinking alone all night.
Wasn't Rick Walton engaged?
Actually, yeah, broke it off after the fire. That's why she walked home alone. Mickey was the place. Told her to get out. Never put close to the house. Just in the happened, not changed her mind.
Did Mickey know that's like that?
He didn't want to do it. After we came to the 20 minutes after that,